Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enter and exit a trade on Tradovate. First thing I want you to do is just open up your dashboard, and then I want you to just come here on the left hand panel and click on this plus icon to open up a new tab and just choose whatever symbol you want. You can find these here as well. So these are the financial options. Let's say you want Tesla, you just type in the Tesla ticker symbol, you get that here. You can do currencies, cryptos, indices. So I'm doing this indices right here. And let's say I want to enter the trade and buy 5 of these. So I'll come here and buy these at market, 5 right here. And you can see my position here. It's a long position. If you want to go ahead and get a short position, you can go ahead and sell at market. And since we have closed that position, we'll go ahead and sell market again just to show you that is a short position right there. That's my net position. If you want to exit this trade, you just go ahead and right click there. And then you just come and click on exit at market. And there you go. I have shown you how to exit, enter, and exit a trade on Tradovate. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to guides our